Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to LFCS online classes. English literature. First book, first flight is going on nowadays. From this book, first lesson is going on. And today we are going to know explanation last two passages. As I am reading, pay attention. From here we have to start today. The following Sunday, Lencho came bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was her postman himself. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. चलिए लेंचो ने फर्स्ट लेटर लिखा। फर्स्ट लेटर लिखने के बाद जब उसको भेजता है और पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉइज उसको रिसीव करते हैं, स्पेशली पोस्टमैन से लेकर पोस्ट मास्टर तक। पोस्ट मास्टर उस पर रिएक्ट करता है। ही कलेक्टेड मनी in order of helping the poor farmer Lencho. He was able to collect more than 50%, it means 70 pesos. He sent to Lencho by putting the signature of God on the envelope. वो गॉड का सिग्नेचर करके भेजता है ताकि लेंचो को बिलीव हो कि ये मनी गॉड के द्वारा भेजा गया है। नेक्स्ट संडे लेंचो अर्ली ही निकल जाता है पूछने के लिए, पोस्ट ऑफिस जाता है पूछने के लिए कि उसके लिए लेटर आया है या नहीं। और जब वो पहुंचता है तो पोस्टमैन खुद होता है जो उसको लेटर हैंड ओवर करता है। और पोस्टमास्टर जो बड़ी संतुष्टि के साथ देखना चाहता है, लिखा गया परफॉर्म्ड अ गुड डीड। व्हाई? बिकॉज पोस्टमास्टर had performed very nice work. Charity, उसने बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया था। किसी का हेल्प करना बहुत अच्छा वर्क होता है। डीड मीन्स वर्क। तो देखना चाहा फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस ही लुक्ड लेंचो। व्हाई? बिकॉज ही विश्ड टू सी द मैन who had firm faith in God that he would help him. Such person was very great in his views. वो ऐसा व्यक्ति बहुत मानता, उसको देखना चाह रहा था। कौन? पोस्ट मास्टर। Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Lencho envelope खोलता है in hoping that demanded money, required money will be completed, would have been completed by God. Lencho ने कोई भी सरप्राइज दिखाया ही नहीं मनी को देखकर। After tearing the envelope when he got the money, he did not show any type of surprise. Why? Because such was his faith in God. Actually, already he had sent his request of receiving, of getting help from God. God sent to what was the surprise? What type of matter to feel surprise? No. ऐसा उसका कॉन्फिडेंस था। कॉन्फिडेंस मीन्स फेथ। बट ही बिकेम एंग्री। while he counted, लेकिन जब उसने पैसे को काउंट किया, ये पैसे देख करके वो सरप्राइज फील नहीं किया. Seeing money, he did not get any type of surprise because it was his confidence, faith in God that he would fulfill his requirement, his request. After counting the money, while Lencho did not get the money according his requirement, then he became angry. He thought that God could not have made a mistake, neither he could be have denied. Means Lencho's request could not be denied, could not be refused, rejected by God, nor God would make any type of mistake. It was impossible. It means in views of Lencho, rest of money was received, was taken by the post office employees. Immediately, Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow caused by a fault. He had to express his ideas. तुरंत लेंचो ने क्या किया, वो विंडो के पास गया, पेपर और इंक लिया, पब्लिक राइटिंग पैड पर लिखा उसने लिखना स्टार्ट किया और लिखते समय उसकी आईब्रो पर रिंकलिंग थी. रिंकलिंग, उसकी आईब्रो पे रिंकलिंग मीन्स फोल्ड, cause of tension. Whenever any person writes a letter, while writing, he expresses, he reveals his mental views. Due to that, it can be seen what wrinkling on the brow. It was due to effort. It is due to effort. So Lencho had also. और जब उसने लिख करके खत्म किया, straightly he went to the window to buy a stamp to list and then be love. With a blow of fist, he liced. That moment, when the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster bent to open it himself. And when he opened, actually he was curious to know this time what was written by Lencho in the letter. जब लेटर उसने खोला, लेटर में लिखा गया था कि God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. जिस पैसे के बारे में मैंने बोला था, सिर्फ 70 पेसों मुझ तक पहुंच पाए. रेस्ट ऑफ मनी नहीं, जो मुझे आवश्यकता थी. और इस बात भेजिएगा, डोंट सेंड टू मी, डोंट सेंड रेस्ट ऑफ मनी टू मी थ्रू द मेल. Why? Because post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Bunch of crooks means group of dishonest persons. Group of dishonest persons. It means Lencho wanted to get rest of money from God directly, not through the mail. Now this lesson has been completed. This is your homework. Learn word meanings of the whole lesson. Thanks. Have a nice day.